When people get sick or ill or they're just even upset, like it's emotional, you want to help them. And I feel like a lot of people turn away from that, and I always was interested in jumping into it. If that's you, if you know that you want to take care of people or you want to push yourself to be a nurse and go through nursing school, I think that this is the opportunity. UW Green Bay offers that. A lot of hospitals actually require you to have your BSN within 5 years of hire. So it's awesome that Green Bay offers an opportunity for you to get your BSN and not have to go back to school. You can just be done and work, and I think that's awesome. The professors at UW Green Bay are very approachable and knowledgeable, and are RNs and nurses themselves, so they're able to make students feel ready to go into the nursing field because of all the opportunities you have in clinical and as well as in the simulation lab where you're able to practice on patients and then take it out into clinical and be with real patients so that when you start your first nursing job, you're ready to go because you've had years of experience. The thing I enjoy the most about the nursing program at UW Green Bay is the ability to take classes that you're focused on and like that you want to take with you to your specialty, and the advisors do a really nice job of making sure you're getting to where you want to go. After graduation from UW Green Bay, I hope to be a NICU nurse, and I feel that after all this, all the schooling, I'm going to feel very fulfilled with my journey through UW Green Bay and their ability to give me what I needed from them and to move forward and take it into the real world as a nurse. I'm really excited to work with patients and their families, even like the tiniest of patients, because I feel that the experiences I've gained through UW Green Bay have made me the person that can take care of anyone, especially little ones. When it comes to nursing, you just know that it's something you need to do.